औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पिछले 2-4 दिनों से हम आपकी इंग्लिश किताब से मैं 10th क्लास के बच्चों से मुखातिब हूँ। एक टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं प्रोज सेक्शन से, लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम, रिटन बाय नेल्सन मंडेला, डॉक्टर नेल्सन मंडेला। तो अभी हम देखेंगे इसमें थोड़ा सा और। We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that they have achieved at last, at the end, they have got the political liberation, political liberty. यानी पॉलिटिकली जो है वो आज़ाद हो चुके हैं, आखिरकार वो पॉलिटिकली आज़ाद हो गए हैं। We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the containing bondage of poverty. And we pledge means they guarantee, they pledge, वो वादा करते हैं, वो हलफ उठाते हैं that they will liberate all people, they will liberate their people, वो पूरे लोगों को आज़ाद करेंगे। किससे? फ्रॉम द कंटेनिंग बॉन्डेज ऑफ पॉवर्टी, पॉवर्टी से, गरीबी से, बॉन्डेज ऑफ पॉवर्टी से, डेप्रिवेशन से, महरूमी से, सफरिंग, जो लोग सफ़र कर रहे हैं उससे, जेंडर और जेंडर की प्रॉब्लम जो है, एंड अदर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड अदर what may be the discrimination is going on in the South Africa. All this will be from these discrimination, sufferings, deprivations, poverty, people will be emancipated. So these are the words of Dr. Nelson Mandela. इन चीज़ों से हम अपने लोगों को आज़ाद करते ही रहेंगे। Never, never and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. So this will never happen. Nelson Mandela says that never this will again happen, that this kind of beautiful land, it will also again experience such a kind of oppression by one by another. So the whites would not be now in a position, they would not be able to oppress the blacks in future. आगे ऐसा कुछ होने ही वाला नहीं है. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. So this is a great human achievement that today we have achieved this. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. चाहे let freedom reign, चलिए ये आज़ादी रह जाए, हमेशा हमेशा के लिए आज़ादी रह जाए। गॉड ब्लेस अफ्रीका, खुदा अफ्रीका के ऊपर रहम करे। A few moments later we all lifted our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters and troop carrier roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. कुछ मिनटों के बाद क्या हो गया? We lifted our eyes, हमने जब अपनी आँखें ऊपर को उठाई, in respect as a spectacular array, as an attractive display. Spectacular array means attractive display of South African. The South African jets were flying in the air, helicopters were, and troop carrier roared. जो ट्रूप कैरियर मतलब जहाज़ वगैरह थे, जो वो जैसे वो रोरिंग कर रहे थे, इन परफेक्ट फॉर्मेशन और द यूनियन बिल्डिंग्स, यानी बिल्डिंग के ऊपर वो हवा में तैर रहे थे, हवा में उड़ रहे थे। इट वाज नॉट ओनली ए display of a pinpoint procession and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy. ये शो इसलिए नहीं था कि हम साउथ अफ्रीकन वाले मिलिट्री फोर्स दिखा रहे थे, बट एक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी था कि मिलिट्री जो है हाउ मच लॉयल, वो कितने वफादार हैं टू द डेमोक्रेसी, टू द न्यू डेमोक्रेसी विच हैज़ formed from now, to a new government. It was a very respect to the new government that had been freely and fairly elected. This government has been freely and fairly attracted, beautifully elected. So sorry. Only moments before, the highest generals of the South Africa Defence Force and Police, their chests uh, bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by. Mm, days gone by saluted me and pledged their loyalty. So before few moments, the highest general of South African Defence Force, जो साउथ अफ्रीका के डिफेंस का बहुत बड़ा लीडर जो उनका कमांडर था, एंड पुलिस और पुलिस के साथ चेस्ट बेड डॉग्स और जो डेकोरेटेड बेड डॉग्स, जो उनके चेस्ट बेड डॉग यानी उनके चेस्ट जो सजाए हुए थे, डेकोरेटेड थे विथ रिबनों के साथ, एंड मेडल्स, एंड दे वर डेकोरेटेड विथ मेडल्स फ्रॉम डेज गॉन बाय, और वो मार्च पास करते गए. सल्यूटेड मी, दे सल्यूटेड हिम एंड प्लेजेड देयर लॉयल्टी एंड दे शोड हिम देयर लॉयल्टी. उन्होंने उसकी अपनी वफादारी का इजहार किया. आई वॉज नॉट unmindful of the fact, he was not unaware of the fact that not so many years before they would not have saluted, before few years they would not have saluted to him but arrested me, but they have arrested Nelson Mandela. Now today they are saluting Dr. Nelson Mandela as a president of South Africa. Finally, a chevron shaped like chevron of impala jets let a smoke trail, and उसके बाद जो chevron of impala jets थे, उन्होंने वो धुआं छोड़ा. Trail means path of the black, red, green, blue and gold of the new South African flag. फ्लैग की जो कलर है उनकी तरह उन्होंने वो स्मोक छोड़ा. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. So on this day, two national anthems were played, and the vision of whites singing Koshi Shikili Africa, and blacks singing Die Stem. वाइट्स जो थे वो कोशी शिकीला अफ्रीका का एंथम पढ़ रहे थे, एंड ब्लैक्स जो थे वो डाई स्टेम, द ओल्ड एंथम ऑफ द रिपब्लिक. Although that they neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem, they once despised. So पहले जो थे ये दोनों नहीं जानते थे कि इनके लिरिक्स क्या हैं. वो पहले इसको दोनों क्या नफरत करते थे इसको. they once despised it, they once hated it. They would soon know the words by heart, and soon they would know the words by heart. वो दिल से जानेंगे इनके अल्फाज के जो माने हैं. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with sense of history. Dr. Nelson Mandela says that during the day of inauguration, जब inauguration का day चल रहा था, I was overwhelmed. He was upset with a sense of history. History दोहरा रहा था मैं. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War and before my own birth, the white-skinned people of South Africa patched up their differences and erected a system of racial domination against the dark-skinned people of their own land. He says that in the first decade of 20th century, 22nd century का जो पहला decade था, few years after the जब bitter Anglo-Boer war चल रहा था, जिस वक्त वो खुद भी पैदा नहीं हुआ था, and the white-skinned people, they patched up their differences and they erected a system of racial, they erected a system of racial discrimination against the dark-skinned people. यानी ब्लैक वाइट्स जो थे वो ब्लैक्स के ऊपर डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर रहे थे अपनी ही ज़मीन पर. The structure they created formed the basis of one of the harshest, most inhuman societies the world has ever known. जो स्ट्रक्चर उन्होंने बनाया था वो दुनिया का सबसे हार्शेस्ट था, सबसे सख्त तरीन, क्रिवल, मोस्ट इनह्यूमन था, जालिम तरीन सोसाइटी थी जो दुनिया ने अभी तक नहीं देखी थी. Now in the last decade of the 20th century and my own 8 decades as a man, that system had been overturned forever. Now Nelson Mandela says that now in the last decade of the 20th last decade के अंदर जो है ये जो पूरा सिस्टम था that has been overturned, वो पूरा तब्दील हो चुका है forever and replaced by one that recognizes the rights and freedoms of all people. अब एक और सिस्टम आया है that will recognize the rights and freedom of all the people, whether it is black, whether it is whites, regardless of the color. It is without the irrespective of the color of the skin, what kind of color people are having, they will be given their due rights. So this is sufficient for today. Thank you.